Chief Minister Mohan Yadav will visit Chhindwara today. He will visit and in fact meet the families of the children who passed away of kidney failure in Parasia in Chhindwara's in Madhya Pradesh. In fact, he will also hold discussions with the administration officials and local leaders. This comes as several children have died of kidney failure in Chhindwara. My colleague Chetan Seth is going to be joining us very shortly, but for now the developments that we are tracking very closely at this point in time in the cough syrup row that is of course underway with investigations now taking place. Remember, there are multiple states that have also banned the cough syrup, that is cold reef, amid the row and the investigation that is underway. For now, we're in fact tracking that the Chief Minister is set to visit Chhindwara today to meet the families of those who've lost their children. My colleague Chetan Seth with us on the broadcast to give us more of this. Chetan, take our viewers through the details that we're tracking as far as this visit is concerned.
ये जिनमें 14 छिंदवाड़ा के हैं, 2 बैतूल के हैं। आज मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव छिंदवाड़ा जा रहे हैं। तमाम बच्चों से जो उनके परिजन हैं उनसे मुलाकात करेंगे और संवेदना व्यक्त करेंगे। कहा जाए कि राज्य सरकार ने सिरप को बैन करने के साथ साथ डॉक्टर पर भी एफआईआर की है और डॉक्टर के साथ साथ जिस कंपनी के वो प्रोडक्ट थे उस कंपनी पर भी एफआईआर की है। आज मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव भोपाल से आज के जो तमाम उनके कार्यक्रम थे वो सभी कार्यक्रमों को रद्द कर दिए हैं और मुख्यमंत्री केवल और केवल आज छिंदवाड़ा में जाएंगे, जहां पर उन बच्चों के परिजनों से मिलेंगे और उनको संवेदना प्रकट करेंगे।
All right, absolutely, Chetan. Thank you so much for sharing all those details with us. Moving on to some more news coming our way in a strong statement today, External Affairs